The fourth problem deals with a change in the asset's useful life and/or a change in its salvage value. Now, when you depreciate an asset, you know the cost, but you are estimating what the value of the asset will be at the end of its useful life. You are also estimating what its useful life happens to be. Well, if along the way you realize that it's going to be materially different than what your original estimate is, you must change that. The useful life could be much longer. Useful life might be much shorter. The salvage value may be more, it may be less. Let's take a look at number 4 here. It says, what would be the depreciation under the straight line method if in year 3 you calculated depreciation, before you calculate depreciation, the estimated useful life is increased to 7 years. All right, so you originally thought it was going to be 5, you now think it's going to be 7. But this was not done up in year 1, this was done after year 2 and in year 3 before you've depreciated in year 3. Also, the salvage value is going to be decreased from $1,200 to $200. So in year 1, your cost is $7,200. Under the straight line, you would depreciate it $1,200, and the book value at the end of year 1 would be $6,000. Book value, again, remember, you got to know this, book value is cost less accumulated depreciation. In year 2, $7,200 cost, you depreciated another $1,200. The book value now is $4,800. How did I get $4,800? $7,200. That's the cost, less the accumulated depreciation of $2,400 gives me a book value of $48,000. Now, in year 3, we change the life and the salvage value. What do we do? Here is the formula. We take the book value less the revised salvage over the remaining life. So we thought it was going to last a total of 5 years. We've depreciated off 2, and now we think it's going to last a total of 7. So 7 less the 2 that we've already depreciated means they're going to be 5 more years. And the book value is $4,800, and the revised salvage is only $200. So take 48 less 200, that's 46, divided by 5, and that should give you $924. That will be the depreciation in year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6, and year 7. At that point in time, we would have a book value of $200, and if we sell it for more than that, we have a gain. If we sell it for less than that, we have a loss.